Hey, this is Chap Pornova. Today I'm going to show you our free AI Content ROI Calculator. Basically, ROI means return of investment. I'm going to show you how the difference is basically how you can save a ton of money, get better articles written than people that write them for you. So, blog, basically, if you hired someone to write your articles okay? So, just click the link below this video and you can actually come over to this page right here. This is wpautoblogging.com. It's one of my websites that actually teaches people all about WordPress autoblogging and AI WordPress autoblogging with ChatGPT. Okay, so basically, click the link below. All right, and you're going to see the AI Content ROI Calculator. It's a free AI Content ROI Calculator. And basically, what it's comparing is compare traditional blog writing cost versus our plugin that's called My Content Creator Pro Elite. It's a WordPress plugin powered by ChatGPT. So let's say you get an article. Let's say even you go to Fiverr, okay, and you pay $5 an article, okay. Now it says number of articles that you want per month. So let's just say, because to be honest with you, you need to be writing articles. You need to be posting them every day, okay. So let's just say 30. So if we just do 30 right there, basically it's going to show you here in a sec how much it's going to cost. So like if we go right here, basically if you want to write a 1,000-word article or a 2,000-word article, this is basically with our WordPress plugin called My Content Creator Pro. This is roughly what it's going to cost you for a 1,000-word article, which is very, very cheap, okay? Most likely someone's going to charge you $5 or $10 for each of these, okay? So let's just say you want a 2,000-word article. It's going to cost you $10 or 10 cents per article through My Content Creator Pro Elite. And then it's going to cost you for 2,000 words on, say, Fiverr or somewhere else, $5. But that could be a low-quality article, and most likely it is. The articles that we write with My Content Creator Pro with ChatGPT, those are articles that you would pay someone most likely anywhere from $50 to $100 for a 2,000-word article. So we're just going to click right here and click Calculate Savings and ROI. So we just click right here. Traditional writer, it's going to cost you $150. Right here with our WordPress plugin called My Content Creator Pro, it's going to cost you only $3. Estimated monthly savings, you're going to save $147 because you basically would be paying them $150, and then you minus what it's going to cost for using My Content Creator Pro, the Elite. It's only going to cost $3 to actually write the 30 articles, and you can see right there your ROI is 4,900%. So you can see right here that you can actually save a ton of money, ton of time, and make a lot more money with getting the traffic and subscribers that you'll get from your WordPress website, and stop wasting time and money on articles that will not get you to rank. Our WordPress plugin, My Content Creator Pro, will get your site ranked. It will increase your traffic. It will increase your subscribers, and through your subscribers and traffic, you'll increase your sales. Okay, so if you would like to get more information about My Content Creator Pro, the Elite, just scroll down here. But make sure you share this on social media, and make sure that you, if you like this video, like it on YouTube and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And more information right here if you just want to see, what the cost is. You can see the cost of the plugin is a one-time fee of $147. You only pay that one time, but usually we have promotions that you can usually get it for $97 or less at times. You can click right here. We have a free version that just actually has 1,000,000 articles that you can get access to. So if you just click right here, you can try this out if you want to first. Now, this isn't the AI or anything. This is just articles we've loaded, over 1,000,000 different articles. You just put your name and email right there, and just click yes, I want this, and you'll get our free plugin. Or what you can do is you can actually come over here and you can get the Elite version of My Content Creator Pro powered by ChatGPT. And you can watch the video here and see everything that it can do. It can write in 39 different languages, 20 different writing styles, 10 writing tones. It writes everything SEO optimized to get ranked in Google and other search engines, and it does this all on autopilot with a few clicks of your mouse, and it really does that. I actually, built this for us, about 4 or 5 years ago. It wasn't powered by ChatGPT then, and this has saved my company a ton, literally thousands and thousands of dollars, and has brought us thousands of dollars, and has built our email list and has brought us tons of free website traffic. So like I said, just come right here, watch the video, scroll on the page. You can learn more about it. If you ever have any kind of questions that you want to write me, just click on support right here and send us a support ticket, and we will get back to you as quickly as possible. We are here to help. Thank you again. Like I said, enjoy this free AI Content ROI Calculator. It really does show you how much money you can save using AI. And like I said, right there, it's going to cost you $150 for 30 articles, for 2,000 word articles for someone on Fiverr, and most likely will cost more. But like you said, with our plugin, it's going to cost you $3 for 30 articles that are 2,000 words. Not to mention, you're going to be able to have images that are going to be generated by ChatGPT. So you're not going to get that from an article writer that's going to do that for your blog post. They'd even charge more. And you're not going to get the SEO optimized tags and everything else. Like I said, watch that video right here and make sure that you, right here, but there'll be links to both of these below. There'll be a link to actually do the calculator, and there'll be a link that will take you to the free version of My Content Creator Pro, and then there'll be a link that takes you to My Content Creator Pro Elite also. Okay? Thank you so much again for watching this video. Make sure you share it and like it, and I hope you get a lot out of this, and I hope you can start making more money and saving money all at the same time. See you in the next video. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.